The Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max series steps forward as one of Huawei's most premium smartphone lineups, combining elegant design, cutting-edge performance, and breakthrough camera technology. Hi guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Today we discuss Huawei Mate 80 series first look and full introduction. This series continues Huawei's reputation for pushing boundaries by offering a flagship-level experience that blends power, intelligence, and creativity in a seamless way. With a refreshed design and a sleek, symmetrical body, the Mate 80 Pro Max stands out as both futuristic and refined. The display technology takes a major leap forward with enhanced clarity, smoother visuals, and excellent outdoor brightness, making it ideal for entertainment, productivity, and gaming. Powered by Huawei's latest in-house chipset, the device promises fast performance, efficient power consumption, and reliable AI capabilities across everyday tasks. Camera innovation remains at the heart of the Mate series. The Mate 80 Pro Max lineup introduces advanced photography features with superior low-light performance, improved optical zoom, and naturally balanced color processing, perfect for content creators, travelers, and mobile photography lovers. The battery life is equally impressive thanks to ultra-fast wired and wireless charging options, backed by a high-capacity cell designed for long-lasting usage. Whether you're a professional user demanding high performance or someone who appreciates luxury tech, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max series delivers a premium experience that balances speed, style, and intelligence. So guys, this is fresh updates about new Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max series. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching this video.